This is my presentation on solar power. The reason I decided to do my project on solar power is because ever since I was 17, I have been obsessed with Tesla. Tesla specializes in electric car manufacturing and through its SolarCity subsidiary in solar panel manufacturing. To start off, I am going to be talking about the two big questions. What is solar power and how does it work? The textbook definition of solar power is the conversion of energy from sunlight into electricity. Solar power uses either thermal energy, which is heat, or through the use of photovoltaic cells in solar panels. Unlike renewable resources, solar energy offers a clean, renewable source of power. The most common use of solar power is the use of photovoltaic cells in solar panels. Solar power through solar panels is produced when photons hit a solar cell. This causes electrons to come loose from their atoms. When these free electrons flow through a circuit, they generate electricity. Multiple cells make up solar panels. Another form of solar power is the use of solar thermal power plants. Employ various techniques to concentrate the sun's energy as a heat source. The heat is then used to boil water to drive a steam turbine that generates electricity in much the same fashion as coal and nuclear power plants, except without the use of non-renewable resources. Interest in solar power. So the interest in solar power has increased heavily over the years and is predicted to continue rising. There are great benefits to the use of solar power, such as contribution to the betterment of the earth. A solar energy system adds to your property value without adding any tax liability. Solar electric systems reduce pollution and CO2 emissions, which are the cause of global warming. Many states offer a zero-down installation plan that lower electricity bills and cost nothing to install or maintain. Constant new breakthroughs in technology keep improving the use of solar power. Current knowledge on solar power. This renewable resource is growing rapidly as people look for sources of energy that are sustainable and environmentally sound and do not affect our earth like non-renewable resources do. Solar energy is reliable and efficient. The federal solar tax credit allows you to deduct 30% of the cost of installing a solar energy system from your federal taxes. The ITC applies to both residential and commercial systems, and there is no cap on its value. Thanks to the ITC, the average Energy Sage solar marketplace shopper saved over $5,000 on the cost of going solar in 2017. Some controversies surrounding solar power are that the solar tax credit will be gone for residential areas by 2022. In the courts, numerous court cases on the local, state, and federal levels could affect solar power's growth. The Clean Power Plan seeks to wean the energy sector from coal and replace it with cleaner resources, including solar. More than 24 states and several industry groups and utilities sued. Fossil fuels are important due to employment and the economy. When days are not sunny, where do we get electricity from? Where things are going for solar power. Solar power is now cheaper than coal in some parts of the world. Compared to 100 cents per tile, they are now down to 57 cents. The advancement of solar power is able to allow third world countries to get electricity from solar power. Tesla Motors is a green giant, specializing in an all-electrical car and solar panels on homes. Solar roof is a big step as solar roof tiles look identical to regular roof tiles. In January 2018, Tesla confirmed that the roofs have been installed on homes of company executives, and installation has begun at the homes of non-employee customers. Scientists predict that solar power will be the major source of power by 2050.